Hola y bienvenidos al podcast número 9 de asisehace.net. Hoy vamos a hablar de los verbos con cambio radical, that's stem changing or radical changing verbs. So, what exactly are stem changing verbs? Okay, let's have a look. But first, remember that some verb stems do change, but not all, just some of them. And you just have to remember which ones they are. To change the stem, the first thing you need to do is to find it. Let's look at these examples. We have empezar, which means to begin, volver, which means to return, and vestir or vestirse, which means to get dressed. So, the stem is the syllable right before the AR, ER or IR endings. And there are three main stem changes in Spanish, E to IE, O to UE, and E to I. There are some more, but these are the main ones. Okay, let's look at E to IE first. Empezar, which means to begin, is conjugated as follows. Empiezo, empiezas, empieza, empezamos, empezáis, empiezan. As you can see, the first and second person plural don't change the stem. This happens in all stem-changing verbs. Okay, let's look at O to UE now. Volver. Now, volver is conjugated like this. Vuelvo, vuelves, vuelve, volvemos, volvéis, vuelven. As you can see, the first and second person plural don't change, just like before. And now let's look at E to I, vestirse, which is actually a reflexive verb, remember. Me visto, te vistes, se viste, nos vestimos, os vestís, se visten. Even though it's a reflexive verb, the first and second person of the plural are still not changing. Now, your teacher may refer to these verbs as boot verbs or shoe verbs, and that's because you can draw the shape of a boot or a shoe around the stem changes. Other stem-changing verbs are rare, but there is one common exception. U to UE. Jugar is one example. Juego, juegas, juega. Jugamos, jugáis, juegan. Like before, the first and second person plural are not changing. And that's it now. Thank you for watching y hasta la próxima. Adiós.